In yet another shameful incident, a young Swiss couple was brutally attacked, bruised and left with broken bones in Fatehpur Sikri, Uttar Pradesh. A couple from Lausanne, Switzerland was chased and attacked with stones and sticks by a group of youths in Fatehpur Sikri on Sunday. Quentin Jeremy Clark, 24, who came to India on September 30th with his girlfriend Mary Rose. They were strolling near the railway station at Fatehpur Sikri after a day in Agra when the group started following them. They initially passed comments and asked for selfies with Mary. But then the attack got so violent that Clark was left with a fractured skull and Mary had her left arm broken. Also, contrary to reports, the couple were not kissing in public but were just walking like any other tourists taking in the sights.
Are you a your comments about the Pakistan?
Oh, we love it. It's beautiful.
I'm Bill. Bill Jones. I'm English, but I'm living in Paris, and I'm leading this group. 9 friends from US, one lady from Australia, and we're spending 3 weeks all together on our trip. 2.5 weeks in Pakistan, getting to know this fantastic country, getting to know particularly Gilgit-Baltistan area, Hunza Valley.
The days are getting brighter, yeah, and that's a good. I want them all out the door. Go on and try, come and tell me what you're waiting for. Move, keep them going. Do a dance of victory. 'Cause now I'm living good, no, I'm not living like I used to be. Now talk about things, talk about my mind. Now I'm free from the worries that I left behind. I gotta jump for joy and shout aloud and make the sound. Oh, the world can stop me now. No, I'm starting my feet. Yeah, good times.
Our friend Tim from Germany.
Amazing people I've met by far. They live here, very peaceful and welcoming, and also the landscape is just amazing. So I'm very happy to be here.
Pakistan Zindabad. We have with us the Klaus and Morgans from Germany.
Pakistan, people and the landscape, and I'm surprised about what people are helpful and friendly here. And then you see these big Karakoram mountains that nobody will believe when we are coming home what happened in this fantastic country. Pakistan Zindabad.
And we have a friend from Canada, Mr. John.
Yes, of all the countries I visited, Pakistan is one of the most hospitable people. I was welcome in every areas that I've been, little villages, as well as in the big cities, since I landed in Islamabad. And I think the people of Pakistan and the mountains are truly the gift for their country.
From Luxembourg, Mr. Ghee. Welcome in Pakistan. Thank you. A friend from Germany, the Lucas.
We've seen many nice places, many beautiful landscapes, and people are very hospitable, very friendly.
Zindabad.
Now, when you think about your dream holiday destinations, chances are Pakistan isn't on the list, but the country's tourism industry is growing.
If you come to Pakistan, you must come up to these mountains. There's nothing like it in the world. The Andes, nah. The Rockies, no. The Alps, nah. None of them come close, okay? I've been to all of these mountains. This is like the most beautiful place in the world.
Basically, like in this area of Pakistan, which we are in, it's just amazing. We have beautiful people are very hospitable, the food is great, and the surroundings are just amazing.
Pakistan's best kept secret